Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cabbage nursery. First, select a sunny spot for your nursery bed, ensuring it receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Prepare the soil by enriching it with organic matter, aiming for a well-draining, loose texture. Choose high-quality cabbage seeds from a reputable supplier to ensure strong, healthy plants. Proper preparation sets the stage for successful germination and growth. Now, let's get those seeds planted. Sow your cabbage seeds about 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep into the prepared soil. Space them approximately 1 inch apart in neat rows to give them room to sprout. Lightly cover the seeds with a fine layer of soil or compost. After planting, gently water the area to settle the soil around the seeds, being careful not to dislodge them. Once your seeds sprout, consistent care is key. Maintain even soil moisture, but avoid overwatering, which can lead to damping off disease. Protect the delicate young seedlings from harsh winds and common garden pests. When seedlings develop their first true leaves, thin them to stand 2 to 3 inches apart. You can also apply a light, balanced liquid fertilizer to encourage robust growth. Finally, it's time to move your healthy seedlings to their permanent home. Transplant them when they have developed 4 to 6 true leaves. Before moving them, harden off the seedlings for 7 to 10 days by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions. Dig holes large enough to comfortably fit the root balls. After placing the seedlings, water them thoroughly to help settle the soil and reduce transplant shock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.